If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk in Hydro Blue Pearl. With LED headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, LED tail lamps, dual bright exhaust tips, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel, only 7,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, all powered by a 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5998A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.